Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second unboxing for March and it is Lookfantastic. That's what the box looks like this month. If you're new to Lookfantastic subscription and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in my box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide. It contains 6 beauty products and it costs £15. You can opt for a monthly subscription, which you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. As well as a monthly subscription, they have a huge online beauty store and there's always offers going on. So if I can find out any good offers and any discounts, etc., then I'll pop them down below in the description, as well as links to the subscription and any codes like discounts or freebies with your first box. I'll pop that down below as well, and any limited edition beauty boxes they have. You'll find that all down there. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their March box. We've got a 25% off Lelo when you spend £100 on the brand at Lookfantastic. You're welcome to use that code if you want to. Screenshot the screen. Then we've got a booklet, and in here details everything about the products. Plus, it tells you a sneak peek for next month, which is an Avent product, the Hyalu Replenish Lip Balm. It's worth £56. So in every box next month, we'll receive one of those. So I'll refer to that as we go along. And I'll just give you a quick sneak peek there. Okay then. So this month's theme is Empower, Inspire and Change. 3 words that have the power to change minds and inspire new generations. Welcome to the March limited edition beauty box. This month is all about empowering a new generation to own their femininity and inspire change. It says, read on to find some inspiring stories from our female founders of this month's products to the very reason we're all here. The amazing talented BB team give us their take on empowerment. And that's not all. We've partnered with the incredible leaders at Breast Cancer Now to bring you helpful tips and warning signs from one of the biggest treats. So there's 4 products featured in the booklet, and because we receive 6 a month, 2 could be random products from a selection. I'll have a look on their website to see what other products we could have then, but I'm assuming all of us will receive these 4. So we'll do those first. First up, we got a product by ESPA, and this is a refining skin polish, and there's 15 mils here. ESPA is a gorgeous brand, absolutely gorgeous brand. Because I'm holding it up to the light, I can actually see, you might not be able to see it, but I can see that it's only half full. But then it's 15 mils. So maybe the packaging is just a bit larger for the actual content that you receive. A deep cleansing superfine exfoliator to leave skin feeling refined and smooth. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients, the face scrub is charged with a nourishing formula to help comfort the skin during the exfoliation process. And it says to use 1 to 2 times per week for normal or dry skin and once a week for oily skin. So there's that. Next, we've got a really nice size, a Sachajuan. This is a styling cream. This is for straight or curly hair, and there's 125 mils here. I think this was our sneak peek from last month. And yeah, I was expecting it to be small, but no, we've got a really nice size here. Styling cream coats hair to create superb shine and protection from heat. And it just says to apply to damp hair, air dry for natural smooth curls, or blow dry for a straight shiny look. It just says fast absorbing cream utilizes ocean silk technology to drench your locks in moisture, minimizing the look of split ends and flyaways. And then it goes on to tell you how to use it. Yeah, really impressed with that. Well, so far anyway. I haven't tried it yet. Next, I've got an oil. This is an Hardie Brilliance facial oil, and there's 5 mils there. So even though it's small, with oils, you only need a tiny bit. A little pipette. You only need a dribble like that. So it will last a while. I've got one of these already and it is lovely. I do love Hardie, the actual brand. Oh, it smells beautiful. Yeah, it's lovely. It's just made my skin feel super, super soft. It's fast absorbing, so it doesn't leave like a greasy film on your skin either. I tend to use oils at night. Infuse your skin with the nourishing properties of Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil, a lightweight oil complex that conditions, hydrates and soothes the complexion. Formulated with 9 essential oils, this will leave your skin feeling bright and refreshed. So we've got facial oil. Next up, we've got a lip product. This is Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. Oh yeah, there's one lip mask in there. And it tells you how to use it on the back there. Formulated with naturally fermented vitamin-rich sweet coconut extract. Smooth the patches using gentle pressure to optimize skin contact. Remove after 10 to 15 minutes and massage the remaining serum gently into the skin until fully absorbed. So we've got a lip mask. So those are the 4 products that are featured in the booklet. So I'm guessing everyone will receive these 4. And then my last 2 products might be different to yours. But first up, I've got a Revolution mascara. It just says the Mascara Revolution. You might not be able to see it properly there. The Mascara Revolution. Ooh. It's a nice big wand. It reminds me of Too Faced, Better Than Sex mascara, which is good for me because I love that mascara. I can't give you any information about it. Can't give you any information about it. It's got nice thick bristles to hopefully lift, lengthen, and it looks quite a clumpy mascara. Give you some intense lashes, no doubt. So that's what I like anyway. I don't like too clumpy, but I do like a bit of clump just to thicken up my really thin lashes. So yeah, that's about it really, because I don't know anything about it. So you've got a mascara. And then lastly in my box, I've got a brush. I love getting brushes. I've got a ton of brushes, but I love them. This is by, is it Livia? I think it's Livia. This is a detail shader, a 308, a prime vegan candy. So it looks like that. That's a really nice brush. Really nice to get some shadow in amongst the lashes on the top and the bottom, shade it out. Yeah, I really like that. Let's have a look on their website to see what you might get instead. You will either receive the Revolution the mascara, which is what I've got, and it says the creamy emulsion perfectly balances synthetic plant-derived waxes and firm forming agents. It lifts, taking lashes to new heights with a gentle on eyes agent, and it's worth £8. Or you'll get the waterproof version. And if you don't receive the brush, you'll receive a Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Sandstorm worth £3.99. It's a 4-hour long wearing lip colour, leaves a semi-matte cream finish in one stroke. You are able to have a closer look at the products on their website, which I'll pop a link down below. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Look Fantastic. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So I've got a Sachajuan, a styling cream. Got an Hardie Brilliance facial oil. A mascara by Revolution. A refining skin polish by ESPA. And a detailed shader by Livia. And lastly, a lip mask by Star Skin. The cost of the box is £15, and it mentions on their website that this month's box has a value of around £57. Looking at the products here, it's a shame in this ESPA product that there's only half of the product in there. It would have been nice to have a full one. But let me know if yours is the same. Hold it up by the light and you'll be able to see, because mine comes to just there, just about halfway. But no, ESPA's quite a pricey brand, and it is a gorgeous brand, so I'm sure I enjoy using it. But yeah, it would have been nicer if it was full. Hardie oil, I love this. I actually like that I've got a little mini version of it. Mascara looks great. I like the wand, the brush as well. Really nice brush. I really like that, so can't wait to use that. The styling cream, I'm not usually one for styling cream. When I style my hair, like for today now, I've got Olaplex number 6 and a heat protection spray, and then I've got a tiny bit of hairspray then just to keep my fluffy bits down at the top. But I have used styling cream before, and I have probably got a few in my hair drawer behind me, but yeah, I'll give it a go. It's nice that we've got a nice big size. I've got a lip mask. Now I'm sure I've tried it before, but I can't remember what it's like. I have definitely received it a few times. Don't know if it's in Lookfantastic or not, but definitely in other subscriptions, but I can't remember what it is like. Overall, it's a nice box this month with some really nice products in there, but with a few items that I have received before. But as always, I'd love to know what you think. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed this month, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.